Hey, have you been looking for an email marketing alternative to Aweber and GetResponse with no monthly fees and email validation and high open rates? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And I'm so excited to show you this platform right now because I am getting amazing results with this emailer that we have. It's called the HBA emailer, and it's the alternative to Aweber, GetResponse, High Level, any other email marketing platform. And this one is actually the best, right? Because we have email validation, which means we pay for email validation to be connected to your funnels. So this way you get nothing but real emails, real leads. Nobody can enter in a fake email. And we make sure that there's no bots, no fake emails, real people that come through your funnel. And typically, if you were using that service with your funnels, you would have to pay for it. But we pay for it for you, so you don't have to. And it's included with our funnel builder tools and emailer. So if you're using this platform to do email marketing, you're going to have that included with your emailer, right? So here's my results that I've had so far. My open rates are around 17% open rate. This was at 18% open rate, but I just sent out an email. So, that's down here. I'm going to show you this in a minute. But, as you're writing your emails, we have a spam checker that's built in. So basically, if you have any spam words or anything like that, it will pick up on it and it will suggest that you change a word. So this way you get high open rates and your emails will land in the inbox, right? So you can write your emails and it will suggest it, and then you could change it with AI. It'll give you an option to, click a button and you could change those words around. So this way your emails will get high deliverability. And as you can see right here, here's the email that I just sent out. And the one before that, it's 18% open rate, 15% open rate, 14% open rate, 18% open rate, 17% open rate, 25% open rate, 14% open rate, 20% open rate, 16% open rate, 10% open rate, 17% open rate, 18% open rate. And this is 15% open rate, almost 16% open rate, right? So the email open rate is very high, and that's because we make sure everybody has clean leads, right? So this system will actually clean your email lists as you bring them over, and will remove any duplicate emails, any spam, any not good emails. We'll remove them, so you have nothing but clean emails, real people. And you can make sure that they're real because we put these measures into place when you use our funnel builder tools. And then you have your contacts right here. You have your autoresponder messages you could set up right there. And the cool thing is you can go and you could go into email and you could see everybody who's opened and clicked on the link, right? And then if you wanted to email non-openers or non-clickers, you could put that in here, right? And you could email those people who didn't open and didn't click on your email and links, right? And, then you can go and you could copy the subject line, you could copy the body, you could preview the email, or you could send it to a broadcast. And if you hit send broadcast or add the broadcast, then it will add the email into your email, so you could just easily edit it out. And these were some of the results that I've got. So I wanted to send an email out and share those results, right? So I put the income disclaimer right there. And I want you guys to know that not everybody can get the results that I've got. It does take work. It does take understanding of how to do marketing. But this email platform actually helps you to send good emails, right? So if you send any bad emails, you're going to have a spam score right here that's going to tell you what needs to be changed. And you can see right here I have a 99%, and that's because it's going to tell me right why it's because I have dollar amounts in there. So if I wanted to fix that, I could fix it. I could hit fix and it would change it. So I just fixed it. It took out the dollar amounts in the email and it would be ready to go, right? If I wanted to resend this email, I could resend it that easily, right? And it's really cool in that way. And this is pay as you go, so you only pay for the emails that you actually use. You're not overcharged for any email marketing, and there's no limit to how many emails that you could send. You could send as many as you would like, right? And that's a cool thing about this email platform. It also comes with our funnel builder tool. Our funnel builder tool is what I built my traffic store off of, Profit Builder Traffic. So I'm going to take you to that and show you that right here. So here's my traffic store, Profit Builder's Traffic. This is the e-commerce store. And, you know, I get a lot of customers who buy traffic from me. And you can see that traffic store under this video. So if you click the link below this video, it will take you to this traffic store. There's going to be a link below the video, right? This traffic store is built in these tools, right? So you get the funnel builder tool. This funnel builder tool is really easy to use. It's drag and drop. You can go and you can edit whatever words you want to. It's very simple. And my web guy, he has actually built out, you know, pages and everything like that to go to. So you come down here, you can go and you could add new step. You could add a page. And then you have all these custom templates right here that you can use for your business. Any kind of business you want, no matter what kind of business you're doing. And they're very nice and they're professionally designed. We have a calendar widget in here. So we have this in here. So if you wanted to use this, you can use it. It has custom code on it, right? This is all custom made stuff. You know, and we have this page right here for social media. So if you wanted to have like a video and a video link tree page, this is not a Linktree site. This is custom made. So, you know, Linktree pages are really ugly. So you have this instead. And this is really cool because you can use this. So you could be looking like a professional in your marketing, which is really cool. And you earn off these tools as well. So you get this. And we also have something that you can use to be able to follow up with your Facebook friends as well. So we have an inviter tool that you can download whenever you get your hands on an emailer and the funnel builder tool, and then you get 2 weeks free of daily hands-on coaching. It comes with the Facebook inviter, which is going to invite your Facebook friends. It's going to load them up, and then you're going to be able to invite them, and it's going to follow up with your Facebook friends. So there's a lot of people on Facebook that I haven't really had the opportunity to talk to, and you know, that's what the inviter does. It will send them messages. Now, this platform comes with the goal setting app, the funnel builder tool, and, you know, premium, which it also comes with the emailer. And premium is daily hands-on coaching, live by Zoom, Monday through Friday. So we go over the shoulder. We show you things like how to write emails that serve and sell, how to create video content, how to rank that video content, how to get it in the top of the search, and then how to connect with people on social media. So we show you every single marketing strategy that you could possibly want to know. We show you how to use our funnel builder right here under the Funnel Builders Academy. So you get all this training right here. Under premium, you get our premium tools right here. You get our prompt writer, which helps you to write email marketing stuff. We give you the image generator, which has all the high quality AI tools to create images. So you don't have to pay for them because these are the paid versions. And ours is really cool because it will give you feedback and it will help you to create prompts. We have a smart post, which is for video. So if you have a video and you want to post it across all your social media, that's what this tool does. It helps you to post your videos across all your social media platforms. And then you get all of the premium coaching and training on different kinds of traffic strategies. There's every kind of traffic strategy that you could possibly want to learn back here. And we go live every single day, Monday through Friday, right? So if you want to get your hands on the emailer, the funnel builder tool, and the 2 weeks free of coaching, just come over here to this page. You're going to see this. This is the second link below this video. And you're going to be able to sign up, put your information in, and you'll be able to learn more. And you just sign up for $35 and you get 2 weeks free of the coaching. And you can use the emailer to do email marketing. You could use the funnel builder tools to build out whatever you want to build out. And we help you to learn the marketing skills that you need to have results online. All right. So, you know, if you want to get your hands on that or check it out, make sure you go to this link in the description. Also, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.